Recording now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is like another post I might be adding. Basically I'm playing this Iron Bird game while my VR is at like 14%, so let's try it. Wow, 1,000? Hold on, let's match them real quick. If I can even purchase anything. No, because I'm too broke. I'm a little brokey. Are you a superhero? It's me. House fire broke out. Help, put it out.
Immediate directive.
Extinguish the
The
fire.
speech has begun. Assemble at the central
Where?
square without delay.
What's over
Yes, you too.
Let's fly then. Let's go ahead. Woo! Go! Put the fire! Hurry up! Got things to do here. Yes! We have
Step count brought to you by Indecision.
Tech tax collected.
Run away, run away. Get out of here.
Target acquired.
Yes! I got five
Lost the trail. Regroup.
That's scary. No, let's try buying something. 3,000. Let's see. Is this a grapple gun? Why is that not working? This thing doesn't even work. It's horrible. Stupid gun. Okay, let's go find something else to do. What? Time for the nestlings to leave the nest. Break
Heads
the
up.
eggs.
Mayoral words incoming. Proceed to the main square. Enthusiasm optional. Presence not.
Wait, where am I supposed to be going? Wait, is it over here? That guy's being harassed. No! Come on. We're gonna break the eggs. Don't go off the building now. Get down. Go. Oh, you're so cute. I'm taking one of you with me. Maybe even two, actually. I like you because you're the first one choice, right? Okay. Come here. Okay, let's go. We're going to go put this guy back in his new house. Oh no. No, my bird! Where did the other one go? I just killed it. I killed the bird. Oh, let's go teach these guys how to swim. Get over here. Get over here right now, mister. Get off the building. I think I just killed it. Where did the bird go? I'm not talking to you, are ya? Blink. No, my bird! My baby!
Big dodge.
My baby! I don't know if the police cop did. Touch me. Please don't kill me. Please don't hurt me. What's that? I think I'm good now. No, my birds. They're cooked. They're dead. And it was my fault. They were hatched and then I killed them. Okay, let's go find something else to do. Should have given me more. Those are so. Let's go. Where can I find an ice cream? There, over there. Where's the ice cream man?
Sprinkles formed a 3-cent pass.
They can hear you. You don't need to. Stop!
Catch sight.
Let me up! I can't move! Please! Please!
Be done.
This bird is kind of homeless. He can't afford food, so I'm stealing the ice cream. Come here, baby. You want your ice cream? I need to. Oh. Free money. Hey. Don't you know I got a grenade? Nade. Boom, chicka. Yes. Why do y'all hate me? I'm just a really nice person, y'all. Don't you worry, Samantha. Don't you worry.
Grounding order now. Be done.
Money real quick. Give me all money. Money. Hey y'all. What's up, cop? You are. Gotta hide. Come on, hide. Okay, come on. Hey, Samantha. Got money, let's go. Come on, give me all your money. Getting robbed today, boy.
Target acquired.
Oh, I'm coming for you. Run away, Samantha. Run away, Jamantha. I don't care. Yeah, no.
Scatter.
Stop that. You got plastic surgery, girl. You ugly.
He just
Go
took us
clean those teeth. Look at wide gap. Ah! Wait, I'm like that one pigeon hero who was like delivering the bird message thing. My legs are
Catch sight.
Stop! Stop! You're hurting me! That's right. Ooh. You are pretty bad at singing. Okay, guys, we're ending the video now. End the recording right now.